Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good today. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to make this beautiful dress, and I also demonstrated how to make a flounce. So I decided to extract the flounce part from the video so that those who want to learn how to make a flounce alone can watch it. Okay, so in order to make a flounce, the first thing you need to do is to measure that part where you want the flounce to be. The measurement I have here is 116 inches. Now let's get into the video. To cut a flounce, you'll be marking a midpoint on the fabric. I want my flounce to be 4 inches wide, but I am going to hem the bottom with half an inch. So I'm going to make it 4.5. Put 4.5 inches on this mark, this middle point that I made. Mark the start point and then you mark 9. Okay, you know 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9. Still on the middle point, we want to make a circle, so mark 4.5 inches all around and then join it. This is my circle. Draw it into a straight line, the horizontal and the vertical. So we have 4 parts in this circle. Come to one part of the circle, get the midpoint of 4.5, that's about 2.25. Mark the midpoint and then go up by about half an inch. Connect it this way. Then come to one quadrant of the circle. You know we have 4 quadrants now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to this part, divide it into 2. And then from here, I'm going to start measuring my 4.5 inches. So I put 4.5 inches here on this point, the middle point, okay? And then go like this, 4.5 on this curve, 4.5, 4.5. Once I get here, I'll come back to the edge of the circle and start measuring 4.5. So you go all around 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. Draw this into a circle. This is where I am now. So once I get back here, I'm going to start measuring that 4.5 from this circle, the new circle. Okay, 4.5. Unfortunately, I cannot get 4.5 here anymore. This is what I have now. Let's measure what we have here to know if I need to cut more or this is just enough. This curve that we made, I'm going to place my tape rule on it and then I'm going to go around. Remember, I need about 116 inches. I have 60 inches up till here. Let me measure what I have left. I'm going to stop here. This mark, the inner circle. Don't go to the outer circle. I'm going to measure from here, where I stopped, up till here. What I have is 16 inches. So I need 50 inches more. You know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to fold my fabric so that I can cut out 2. By the time I cut out 2, that means that I am going to have double of what I measured out here. What I measured out here is 60 plus 16. That is 76. So folding it into 2, I'm going to have 152. I'm going to cut out 2 of this, which is better. You can put a weight on your fabric. Once you get here, that curve that we made, trace it out this way. And then on that midline we made, just cut it out. So this is our flounce. One thing I love about the flounce is that you're sure that you'll have this tiny flare. Yeah, it makes your work beautiful. You're sure you'll have it. That is one of the plus of making the flounce. You see this wavy thing. As long as you cut your flounce well, so that one end can be sharp, I'm going to cut out this part. I'm just going to trace this out. But if you don't want it to be sharp, then you can leave it this way. I'm going to start joining it to my fabric from here. Something like this. Now that we have successfully cut out the flounce, you can join it to your clothes.